Number 2. We will discuss exercise 3.5 question number 2. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. A. Here you see the number is 60 and factor tree is 6, 10 is 60. Here is 6, plus 2, here it will be 3 because 3 2 is 6. It is 3. Here you see the number is 10, that means it is 5 and 5 2s are 10, right? This is the 2. Now question number B. Question number B, here you see question number B is 60, right? Therefore 60 can be written as 30 into 2. 32 is 60. Now 30 can be divided again into 10. Here it is 10. That means 3 into 10. 3 tens is 30. Right? And 10 can be again divided as 5 to the 3 10. 5. Here it is 2. 5 to the 10. Again let us repeat. Here the first one is, that is 60. 60 can be written as 6 into 10. That is 16 is 60. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6. And 10 can be written as 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10. Now question number B. 60 can be written as 30 into 2, 32 is 60. And 30 can be written as 10 into 3, 3 10 is 30. And 10 can be written as 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10.